What's up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on wherever you are watching from and whichever time you are watching this video. Welcome back to this channel. My name is Janad as usual. Now, in my previous video, I showed you how to do a 3D logo in Pixellab, and that was the part 1. Today, I'm going to show you how to do another 3D logo. You see, for the first one, we just imported the logo and we just did our editing on it. For this one, we want to create the logo ourselves, and continue with the rest as usual. So this is how your logo is supposed to look like after you are done with everything. So without wasting much of our time, let's jump into our Pixellab. Or we are already there, so let's just start with our work. So I need to delete everything you see on the screen to get an empty space or area. Okay, so we start by importing text. So we are going to type A as you saw on the screen. Now, after selecting your A, you bolden it or you increase the size. Okay, all right. Now let's do this. Let's change the font type. I want to change this color. Okay, and change the background to white. It wouldn't have any impact, but I want it to look that way. Okay, so you can do it. Use the normal background that Pixellab gives. Yes. So we've imported our A. Now we want to give it a texture, okay, or we want to be able to erase. So import shape, decrease the size, okay, make sure it falls on the A. If you don't do it that way, okay, make sure it falls on the A. We want to merge it with the A. Okay, so after that you merge. We do it this way because we would be erasing some part of the E, and if you don't do it this way, the erase button wouldn't show. So right now, since we've merged, you see the erase button is showing here, but before that the erase button wasn't showing. Okay, so you come here, then select the square, then resize it. Okay, resize it. We want it to fall in the middle, so let it fall exactly in the middle. Then you click on the tool up here, the second from your right hand side. Okay, after that you check, then you can copy this. I should have copied before erasing, so before you even erase, copy. Okay, copy before you erase. Alright, so now let's go and erase. So you do same to the other one, but you erase the left hand side this time. Alright, so we have this. Okay, so this is how it's going to be like. Now we want to give each side texture. We want to give each side a texture, so you go to a texture. So you scale it. scale it and let it fit. Okay, this is fine. You do same to this one with a different texture as you saw before the start of the tutorials. So we need to scale it. Alright, that's fine. So make sure they are together. Okay, you can use the position 2 to make sure they are together or they are in line. Okay, so this is fine. Now lock the two. And type Alpha Kundi. You are going to type Alpha Kundi. Okay. So we have our alpha here. You can give it a texture, so the same texture as you gave for the left hand side. Okay. Sorry. But this is also fine. We can do it this way either. Alright. Then copy this and change this one to Kundi. Alright. Then we can change the texture to so this is fine. Let them be in line. Make sure they are in line. So you merge the 3 or the 4. Okay, merge them. Alright, after that we go to 3D. Okay, so here we just use 1, the depth, just use 1. Okay, then after that we come to the emboss and give it some embossment. Alright, so it just be playing along with the light angle, and wherever it's the light falls and you feel it's okay, you leave it. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this is fine. Okay, so let's just import our background. I want to use this. Okay, and I want it to come to the other side, so let me just rotate it. Alright, make sure it faces. go here and you bring the logo out or on it. Now this is what we are going to do. We are going to use the perspective tool as usual. Alright, so we want to reposition this. So we want the logo to look tilted and attached to the background you are seeing, or the wooden background you are seeing. Okay, so don't just do it anyway, you have to make it look perfect, so that whoever you are working for or whoever you are doing the design for will be impressed. If you do it anyway, the person might not be impressed. Take your time and do it. Alright, so I think this is fine. So we have our logo, Alpha Only. Okay, yeah, so guys, this is the end of our tutorial. Please like, comment, subscribe and share. Alright, I'll be waiting for your comments in the comment section below. Ask questions if you don't understand and let me explain further. Also, if you have anything to say, just a general suggestion or something, if you want me to make a video on something, you can comment below so that I will take time, read through them and react accordingly. Alright, so thank you all for watching this video. Probably I'll be doing how to create a 3D logo part 3, and that one to introduce some small new thing to this. Okay, alright, so just stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, hit on the notification bell. I'll see you in my next video. Take care and bye bye.